Dealesville is a mixed farming town in the Free State province of South Africa and is surrounded by numerous salt pans. There are many natural springs in the vicinity, most notably Florisbad, some 35 kilometers from the town. The town was established on the farm Klipfontein, Afrikaans for stone fountain, which was owned by John Henry Deale. Town some 70 kilometers northwest of Bloemfontein, 55 kilometers southeast of Boshof and 111 kilometers northeast of Kimberley. It was laid out on the farm Klipfontein and named after the owner, John Henry Deale. It was proclaimed a township in 1899 and achieved municipal status in 1914. The spas Baden-Baden and Florisbad are respectively 14 and 37 kilometers from Dealesville. Geographic location.